Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to install Postman on Windows. Okay, so this is the Postman website and we only have 2 steps. So to install Postman on Windows, do the following. So download the latest Postman version. So I'm going to do that. And select and run the exe file to install Postman. So this is the download page. I have the same here, so I'm going to close this one. So here we can just click on this button, Windows, and it will download Postman. So it will take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. I actually got this downloaded already, so I'm just gonna cancel and just show you the file itself. So this is the exe file. So I'm gonna right click on it or double click on it. So it says installing Postman. Okay, so that's how you can install Postman. So it says here that I got a personal workplace, and that's the next topic. But that's how you can install Postman with 2 steps. So download the latest Postman version and select and run the exe file to install it. Alright, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.